Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new cooking video. In this video I'll be showing you how to make curly baklava. This is my favorite walnut-filled baklava variety. Medium-sized tray will be enough for 20 people. It's the first time I'll be doing a cooking video at my home. I'm not very professional in dough making, but you can say it is an experiment. Requirements are half a cup of sunflower oil, 1 spoon of grape vinegar, 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1 pack of dough baking powder 10 grams, pinch of salt, 5 or 6 cups of sifted flour, corn or wheat starch to use when opening the dough, dough roller to use to turn the dough into a fine rolling pin. Use a very fine and long rolling pin to make the pulp into a roll. Walnuts, (250 grams of butter), dough cutter, and an aluminium square tray. Materials required for syrup: 3 cups of sugar, few drops of lemon juice, 4 cups of water, and a pot for boiling the syrup. First step is to add 2 eggs to the mixing bowl. Add half a cup of sunflower oil and mix lightly. Grape vinegar and 1 cup of milk is also added. Dough baking powder is added and also salt is added. Initially, add 3 cups of flour and mix. Add the 4th and 5th cup after mixing a little bit. We would say we used a total of 5 cups of flour. Prepare a very well kneaded dough, form into a bowl and keep in a sack. Start to open the dough by sprinkling some flour. Add a little bit of starch when opening the dough. The dough is a little bit dry because it opens a little harder. The dough can be made thinner with a big roller. Cut the pulp into 2 pieces. Walnuts, roll using a thin rolling pin. Squeeze and make a curved shape. Pull the fine pin out of the dough. Place prepared pieces on an aluminium baking tray. Do not leave the dough open because the dough surface may dry over time. You can help people by showing them this recipe, and you can help me by liking and sharing this video. Thank you all. Slice the baklava evenly after the tray is full. I would say it is an average of 120 slices of baklava. Add the butter to the pan and melt. Add 3 cups of sugar to the pot. Add 4 cups of water to 3 cups of sugar and boil for 30 minutes. Add 3 to 5 drops of lemon juice. And keep the syrup to boil. Let's switch to the baklava. Add the melted butter to the baklava in a balanced manner. You can use a spoon with holes that will help. Cook the baklava for 35 minutes. Make sure that the bottom of the baklava is golden brown and well cooked. Add boiling syrup to the baklava without waiting immediately after removing it from the oven. Add the syrup and leave the baklava tray in the same place until it cools. The baklava will soak up the syrup. For example, baklava in the evening, add the syrup, leave it until morning. As you can see, the syrup is completely absorbed by the baklava and it is ready to be served. Add heavy cream on top and serve. We have come to the end of this video. Thanks for everyone who watched my videos, shared them, liked them, and supported me. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.